Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Siddhant. One more question. Take attendance here. Today this girl is so happy. What's your name? I forgot your name. Nihira. Today we are very happy. How are you? Good. What's your name? Ritika. Ritika. Homeworks are there given to you all? Yes. Homeworks are done? Yes. What was the homework given? Euclid division lemma started now. Okay, so you all are done the Euclid division lemma. 2, 3 are missing over here. Arya, sibling rivalry, siblings, problem. So it's also not right. Play Anuj. So let's start. What is the Euclid division lemma, Ritika? Hey, what are you looking at? Last month I said no, if you don't know the exact equation, you have to write the function. You did not learn why not time. Is something they do now, you should learn and come now. Yes, you learn. Stand up.
Given positive integer a and b, their unique, there exists unique p and q. Unique integers p and q in the form of a is equal to bq plus r, where 0 is equal or less than r and r is less than b.
Struggling to get that statement. One line only asked you to learn, and this much is struggling. Let me check with the boys. Yes.
Positive integer a and b, there exists unique numbers q and r, where a equals
Q and R satisfying. Tell fast,
a equals to q plus r, 0 is less than or equal to r, which is less than b.
Is it so difficult to remember this statement? Because a lot of people say too often, you know. I don't remember. Why you don't remember? Or is it a lot of work that's form to do? No work to do. That is why we think, no? You remember? Who remembers? Now I think you know it now. How many times I had to write? 50 times now. Shall we start doing now? What are you looking at? What are you doing at home?
No.
I took a long bite because so then why don't you study and come? Your time or what? Schoolwork is there more. Then what? You?
Yes. Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a equals to bq plus r, 0 is less than or equals to r less than b.
0 less than or equal to r less than b. Okay, sit down. Anuj is missing, Arya is missing. Sign up, sign down. I can change stuff. Why is that here? No. Okay, so Euclid division lemma is used to find out one more boy is there now here online.
Yes, sir.
He's not there. You know Euclid division lemma, Vedant?
Yes, sir.
What is it?
Euclid division lemma states that given two positive integers a and b, there exists a unique integer q and r, which satisfies that a is equal to bq plus r, where r is where r is equal or less than zero. Sorry, where zero is equal or less than r and r is less than b.
0 less than or equal to or less than b. Okay. So you know, all of you know how to find out the HCF of two numbers using Euclid division lemma. What is the meaning of Euclid division lemma? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. So you know I have given some question to do Euclid division lemma and you got the HCF. Okay. So find that right using Euclid division lemma. Write the question. Using Euclid division lemma, find the HCF of 51 and 3, 4, 2. 3, 4, 2. 51 and 3, 4, 2. So what do you do? Aditya, you came late.
Yes, sir.
What,
Sorry, sir.
what is to be done? We take it as
A
A is equal to 3 bigger number 342. B is equal to 51. Then apply division. All of you divide, find the quotient and remainder. Divide fast. Divide, right. Hey. Not division is not over. So what did you get? Quotient is how much? 6. So 342 is equal to 51 into 6 plus 36. All of you got this much?
Yes, sir.
Still there are people are not telling anything. This is on. I will divide it. So the 342 divided by 51. 51 6 are 36. 5 5 are 5 6 are 3306. 6 is there 36. Then R, what is the value of R here? 36, which is not equal to 0. You have to reason here right by real distribution lemma. Then therefore what is the value of A here now? A is equal to 51, B is equal to 36. Again divide 51 and 36. Done. 36 and 51.
Done,
So
sir.
one sum that is equal to 36. Remainder is how much? 550 now. Yes or no? Therefore, second case is coming as 51 is equal to 36 into 1 plus 15. Now, what do you do? Again, R is not equal to 0. Therefore, what is the value of A? A is 36. B is equal to 15. Therefore, again divide 36 and 15. 15 2s are now. 36 equal to 15 into 2 plus how much? 6. Still not yet over. A is equal to 15. B is equal to 6. So 15 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 3.
Sir, got it.
Still it is not yet over. After that again A is equal to 6. B is equal to 3. Therefore 6 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 0. So remainder becomes 0. Therefore last value B. Therefore HCF of which are two numbers 51, 342 is equal to 3. That is the answer you got. Got it or not?
Yes.
Why people are struggling to do? But not this way to write, steps here to write. That is not the main step. This is the main step. Division is not the main step. Okay. These are the main steps. This is not the main step. Fast. You also, what is it going on? First step is not division to show. Okay, the steps are from this side now. No. Okay. Okay, answer. You also done? Problem? You got it now? So this one. Aditya got the answer?
Yes, sir.
All of you got now? Therefore, the value. All of you know how to do it. That division work is not the important part. This part is the important one. So, what is the HCF of 51 and 342? 3. All of you got now? Okay, I'll ask certain questions. Listen, all of you. So, we got the answer HCF is equal to 51 and 342 is equal to 3. What is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. There is another name for HCF, you know. There is another name for HCF. Anyone knows? That is P, no? Yes or no? G, C, D. We got about F. F, G, C, D. Have you heard about the word GCD letter? GCD means greatest common divisor. That also somewhere easy find GCD means it is HCF for you. Okay, GCD and HCF is same thing. Division method is done. Now look at the board. Okay, so what is the HCF of 51 and 36? Find the HCF of 51 and 36. Don't write 3. Who said 3? Why did you get 3? See, in this one 51 and 36 is here now. So in this way, 51 and 36 from here we start, it will be 3. What is the HCF of 36 and 15? 3. What is the HCF of 15 and 6? 3. What is the HCF of 6 and 3? Are you followed? In this way, whichever the statement is coming A and B, all of the A and B, it remains same. Understood or not? Here that means HCF of what all values? First one was 342,51. Next one, which is same as HCF of which one? 51, 36, which is same as HCF of. And nobody is responding only. I write everything and you people waiting a while. 15, which is equal to HCF of 15 and 6, which is equal to HCF of 6 and 3. All of them equal to how much? 3. Yes or no? Understood? In this root, in this statement, whatever A and B is taken, its HCF will be same as this final answer. This also followed up, no problem. So the Euclid division lemma saying given two positive integers A and B, there exists a unique integers Q and are satisfying the condition. What is the condition? A is equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. See, you can see always R. See here, what is the value of R? 36 less than B. It is more than 0 less than B. Here value of R is how much? 15 less than 36 more than 0. Here what is the value of R? 6 again less than 15. Always remainder is all, that is a rule, no? Yes. Remainder is always less than divisor. So no, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The value of the remainder should be always less than the divisor. Okay now? All right, no problem. Any problem with that? Tell me. Okay, so this is the condition it is coming Euclid division. Now, let's come to one more thing over here. If the question is asked, using Euclid division lemma, find the HCF of 3 numbers. There's 2 numbers I given, no? But it's 3 numbers. How do you find this? Using Euclid's, or did speak something?
So by finding the HCF of 2 numbers first, and then dividing the HCF with the third.
That's what you have to tell? First. Who is this one? Which school is that? Last class also you came late, na? Why is this coming late? Any problem is there, na? Or you can come this time only. How did he come? Mother, next time I'll tell mommy also to come with me. Come with and sit over here. Revise revision. What revision are you doing? Okay, what is ideal?
Given positive numbers A and B, comma, there exists unique integer Q and R such that A is equal to B plus R, but 0 is less than or equal to R plus B.
Oh, so you could have done this long back now. And if half an hour you're late now. 1 hour lecture, half an hour late means what? If any specific reason is there, okay, but it should not happen. Okay. This last time also, okay. Arya Yadav, na? Sit down, sit down. Anyway, sit there. So now our HCF of 3 numbers, and did you hear?
First we take of 2 numbers,
First you take the 2 numbers and
then again 2 numbers.
again 2 numbers. How many altogether 3 numbers will be now?
First 1 and 2 and 2
Ah.
and 3.
1 and 2, 2 and 3, and then 1 and 3. Then, okay, you find the HCF of 1 and 2. Then HCF of 2 and 3. Then HCF of 1 and 2. Is it so? Then, but which answer? All should be same. Will it be same? Are speak now? Don't worry. Hey, Arya, sign. Next time I will send before you. Next time, Arya, you be here at what time, you know? What, which school is studying? Alba, who's in Alba? Huh. Actually, you know her very well. You also know her. Remind her, okay, classes there. I think name is there, no? Arya Yadav. Next time, 4:10, you have to be here. Okay, Arya? Otherwise, I will keep you till. I am here till almost 8:30. Ready now? She's ready. Okay, so look here. So if I write as 42, 72, and let's say 108. These are 3 numbers. According to you, what do you do? Take first and second, second and third, first and third. But HCF cannot be same now. What Vedant said, what? Find the HCF of any. What is the way means? I'll tell you. Take 2 numbers. Whichever 2 numbers you want to take 2 numbers. Let's say it's 42 and 72. So if I consider 42 and 72, what is the value of A? 72. B. Are you loudly and fast to people tell now? All are still sleeping now. Then what is to be done? Now divide and tell me.
We have to divide 40.
So divide and tell now. Should I write? Oh, I got it. So loudly speak. 72 is equal to 42 into 1 plus 30. The value of remainder is
30.
30. Remainder not equal to 0. So what's the value of A? 42. B. 30. Lockdown and all these be active now. Okay, then one of you tell 42 is equal to
32 plus less
12. Then value of A
A is equal to
30. B is equal to 12. Then
12 into 2 plus 8.
12 into 2 plus 6 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then A is equal to
12.
12. B is equal to 6. Therefore, what we get? 12 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 0. Therefore, HCF of which 2 numbers? 42, 72, which is equal to how much you got? 6. This much all of you follow.
Yes, sir.
Now what you do means take this HCF and take the third number. HCF and which number? Third number. Which is the third number?
108.
Therefore, what is the value of A? So we'll write consider 108 and 6. A is equal to how much? 108. B is equal to 6. Then tell I have to divide and tell 6 into something is there. 16 into 6 is how much? 18 and remainder 0. Others are not doing, others are watching. I think you people should tell fast now. So over now. So what is the value of remainder? 0. Therefore, HCF of what and what? 108, 6 is equal to 6. So this value will be the HCF of all the numbers. Hence, HCF of which are the numbers 42, 72, 108, 50, 26. I hope you all follow now. Yes or no? So when three numbers are given, all of you follow. Okay, when three numbers are given, take a D2, find its HCF. That HCF and third number find the HCF, that is the answer. Agreed? This is by with the help of which method? Euclid's
Euclid division.
lemma. Okay, factorization method is different. That I will explain you when you do the factorization. Okay now? Okay, so that is this much basically. So all of you know how to do Euclid division lemma. Okay, all of you take your volume. Huh? Wait, they are not talking anything. Let them speak now. You people are not talking, that's why you know they are speaking something, no? Taken the volume.
Yes.
Vedant taken first exercise. Hey, Vedant.
Yes, sir.
Okay, there are Euclid division lemma and all. First exercise, have we seen the questions? Exercise answer, exercise
Yes,
1.1. Why both together one volume? Use clear separate volumes now. That cannot be the volume. Read the first question. So many exercise you are doing.
Use Euclid division algorithm to find the HCF of 196938.
Okay, this is Euclid's algorithm means this is a division lemma only. Okay, so do it. So what is the value of A? What is the value of A? 38220. All of you do it. No mistake, okay? 220. B is equal to 190. 196. Okay. Value. Divide without mistake. This division is the main thing. Once you got the division, answer will come. Divide. Division do the not the division on the right side of the page you do. Fast. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. I have to divide. Why am I here? You're looking into theory. It's look like I had divided so. Who got it? Nobody's getting. You have to teach you 3, 8, 2, 2, 0. And this is how much? 196. Goes with what? 2 will go 1. So 196. 6 plus 6. Meter. Then 10. 8. Yes or no? And then did you get 186? Nobody got 186. Okay. Then bring the next digit. Okay. Goes with 9 will go. Sure no?
I got 9.
You got 9. Anyone else got 9? Right? Without doing trying it, 9 only. 9 6 are 54. 9 9s are 81 plus 5, 86. 9 1s are 9 plus 8, 17. 4 plus 8, 9. Yes or no? And bring the next digit. 2. Where 2? Where 2 is coming?
5.
How 2 is coming? 5 0. Is Aditya? 5 now.
Yes, sir.
9, 5 6 are 30. 9 5s are 45, 48. 9 1s are 9.
The HCF got.
9. I think my set of students are sitting in 10th standard or in 6th standard. Nobody is responding. Therefore, by Euclid's division lemma, what did you get? 3a220 is equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. Since r is equal to 0, what you can conclude? No conclusion. Since r is equal to 0, what you conclude? H is equal to loudly speak now.
HCF is 196.
HCF is equal to 1. How are you? HCF is equal to 1.
96.
Then 196 loudly. Array, remove it.
196.
Okay, very good. You can remove little mass spectrum. Okay, no problem. No. Array, when remainder is equal to 0, what is HCF? The last value of B. What is the last value of B?
196.
Therefore, the answer is HCF is, don't make mistake. HCF is of 3. Ritika only given the answer. Ritika, very good. Ritika, very good.
Thank you, sir.
So, the result. Understood all of you? This is so complicated. Oh, I know what is the complicated. This I had a special training. Today I will give 25 sums to divide. Without studying chicken. Not look which way and
Sir, I was doing homework on
what homework only? Did you know?
Huh?
Euclid division number division of statement. Then what? Okay. Next, second part. All of you do it. Okay, this all of you will do now. 81. Second part. That is easy now. Small number. 81 and 200. Anuj, you know Euclid division number? You check once.
Yes.
So you will. Last class also you will not come now.
The last class my husband stopped me at 4:45.
I know that the route was so traffic. I changed the direction. 127. This one, let's see who will do fast. Aditya has already done it. Don't tell the answer, Aditya. One minute only I'll give for everyone. Okay. Yes, Aditya, the screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Boys are done. Girls, go fast.
So done.
Okay, guys, well done. 15 seconds more. 3 boys are done.
Certain.
4th boy is done. Girl said nobody said. Time gets over. All of you put your pen down. Now look here. All of you put the pen down and listen. Which are the two numbers? Which are the two numbers?
8, 7, and 8.
So you will bigger number as A 127 A and B is equal to 81. 81 now or 51?
81.
Now we have to apply division lemma means what you have to do. Anuj, you can listen. So what you do? 127 divide by which one? 81. How many times? Once are. So how much you'll get? 81. 6. Then how much? 46. Yes or no? Therefore, you will write by Euclid division lemma by EDL. What will you get? A is equal to BQ plus R means 127 is equal to 81 into 1 plus 46. Okay, understood or not? Then here value of R is equal to 46, which is not equal to 0. Now what is the next step you have to write? A will be equal to, nobody speaking, 81. B is equal to 46. Then again divide. This is the division I can do over here, 81. How many times? One only, 46. 11 minus 6 is 5, and it is coming as 35. Therefore, again by Euclid division lemma, 81 is equal to 46 times 1 plus 35. Anuj, you followed how we are writing this one? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder form. Have you heard about that property anytime? Then what is the value of A here now? 46. B is equal to how much? 35. Again divides it 35. If you want directly, you can write also. If you want to write right answer. What is it? Ones are 35. How much? Huh?
46.
46. 11. Therefore, what we get? 46 is equal to 35 into 1 plus 11. Therefore, A is equal to 35. B is equal to 11. Therefore, 35 is equal to 11 into 3 plus 2. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Friends, why did you not do? Therefore, A is equal to how much you got? 11. B is equal to 2. Therefore, 11 is equal to how much? 2 into 5 plus 1. Since still R is not equal to 0, therefore A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. B is equal to 1. Therefore, 2 is equal to 1 into 2 plus 0. Here, R value of R becomes 0. Therefore, HCF of which and which one number? 127, 81 is equal to the last value 1. Is the value Aditya got? Is not there.
Yes.
Is it the answer you all got? How is it? So division you have to do it little fast. Understood or not? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
See, you all got the same answer only?
Yes, sir.
Huh? One only. You all got one? Okay. This one. Follow the speed up.
Yes.
Exams 10 minutes you will not get. This all could be done in maximum 1 minute or 2 minutes. What this is about what? Euclid's division lemma. What is Euclid division lemma? Given positive integers A and B, there exist unique integers Q and R satisfying the condition A equal to BQ plus R, where 0 less than or equal to R less than B. This page is done. All of you followed now? Okay. Anuj, are you following anything? Something is coming. Till the value of R equal to 0, when R is equal to 0, the last value of D is the HCF. See, A and B is coming now. Here A, B, here A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, till R becomes 0.
Yes.
Sometimes in 2 steps you will get. So in the previous question, first step itself got. So there was nothing much to do. Okay. All right. Okay. Completed all of you. Arush is here. Arush. Following or not? Loudly speak here. Any difficulty? Can do no. Little speed is problem, no? Otherwise there is no problem. You also already have the problem speed. This is Ahmedabad girl. Little more speed up. Okay, not only you, there are a lot of what's the name and learning the way. Yadav. Your sister is there, you're fighting with your sister now? She fights with you or you fight with her? You start.
She thinks that I for all like clothes, that. So what does that do?
I think you only do. Okay, next question. All of you completed. You all are waiting while listening. I am waiting for you people to. Done now. Okay, so next, why these people are doing, which question you are doing? Second question, okay, read here. Read.
Find HCF of 65 and 170 and express it in form 65 and plus 117 and
Find the HCF of 65 and 107. Stop writing. The first part you can do it now.
yes, sir.
Yes or no? First part so you can do, there is no problem. But for the second part, what we have to do is that I will explain how to find the value of the method. So 65 and 117, all of you can do it now. So start with that part. Second part I will explain to you. Y is equal to A is equal to 117. B is equal to 65. Continue.
So done.
You were doing before that cheating. Let others also do. I'll give girls 1 more minute.
So done.
Okay. First, a pencil, pen and a pen and do it fast, no machine. 65 into 1 is how much? 65 into 2 is how much? That's what you have to do now. 65 into 2 is how much? 130 now. So it will not go. No, 65 to 1 only, subtract, then again do. 52 is the remainder now. Therefore, 117 is equal to, what is it? 65 into 1 plus 52. So R is equal to 52, which is not equal to 0. So what is the value of A? 65. B is equal to 52. Divide and find out. Direct. Got it? Who got? 65 is equal to 52 into 1 plus 13. What have you got? Again, value of R is 13, not equal to 0. Therefore, A is equal to 52. B is equal to 13. Therefore, 52 is equal to
13 into 4 plus 0.
Done. Therefore, value of R becomes 0. Yes. What is the value of HCF? 30. Loudly tell now. You're scared of these people? So loudly speak. The following now. Therefore, here R is, since R is equal to 0, therefore HCF of which and which one? 65, 117 is equal to 13. This much all of you done. Now, what is the second part of the question? Read loudly. Everyone else reading, she is not reading. Express what in the form? Express what? Express what? Express it in the form now. It means HCF. That means we have to write 13 is equal to 65M plus 117N. Are you followed? We have to write 13 is equal to 65M plus 117N. That is all. Stop writing and listen. So while you have M and N, we have to find out. I'm going to. This is a complicated part in this chapter. This is the most complicated part of this chapter. Okay, this entire chapter. Even after doing, you are, that is why you have to be extremely careful how to do it. All of you listen carefully. So I'm going to find out what is the value of M and N. For doing this one, we have, see, this is one condition you got. This is the second condition you got. Then what is the third condition you got? This one. That's with 0, 1 you don't need to take. Sometimes you will get more than 2 conditions. In this question, there are how many conditions? 2 conditions only. Sometimes 3 conditions. For with one equation with 0, you don't need to consider. Now, you have to start with the last equation. Here, how many equations are there? 2 equations. If there are 3 equations, start with the third equation. So, which is the last equation over here? 65 is equal to 51 into 52 into 1 plus 13. So from 2, I will find out what is the value of 13. What is the value of 13? I can shift this to here. Yes or no? This entire term, if I bring shifting over here, what will you get? 13 is equal to 6. Tell loudly. 65 Manari, this will come this side what will subtract will come 65 minus 52 only 52 into 1.
Then
So
divide.
divide by one. Because it is
Okay, what is the value of D? What is the value of D? So C will come down. This is together one term now.
Okay.
Therefore, what will you get? A or what do you do? Bring this. This is one term. Can you bring C? Okay, A by C. Can you bring this way? Or we can tell. You see weight over there. I'll bring B here. Is equal to into C plus D. Can you write this way? New maths you people are studying out. Possible.
No, sir.
This is together one term now. They are joined. Okay. They are already married. They cannot move separately. Okay. They have to come together. Okay. Understood? So what is it? 52 into 1 has to come together. Understood or not?
Yes.
So I brought this one. All of you followed or not?
Yes, sir.
Now stop writing. You're ready to write. Now this one important thing. Don't multiply 52 into 1. All of you know what is 52 into 1. What is 52 into 1? 52. What is 65 minus 52? 13. 13 into 13. Oh, hence proof. Not like one. You will not get the answer. Okay. So this is. Now what you do? Leave as it is. Now take from 1. From 1. You can find out value of 52. Tell me what will be 52. From 1. What is the value of 52?
170.
Roundly. 117
Minus 65 into 1.
is equal to what?
50.
So 117 minus 65 into 1. Are you following this also?
Yes, sir.
Are you tell loudly yes, no? For that one, not energy will not go that much, no. Let it energy go also. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, time is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Now, now what we are going to do means, here there is a 65 is there now. This 65 will be replaced as this one. Instead of 52, what will you write? 117 minus
65.
So therefore substituting what will you get? Substituting what will you get? 13 is equal to 6 minus. Now instead of that one, bracket 117 minus 65 into 1 times what? 1. Are you followed all of you? Those who haven't explained, this is a complicated step. Okay, this is the step is complicated. See, from this step is followed. What? How did you get?
Yes, sir.
From 2. See, this is brought over there. So 65 minus 52 into 1 is equal to 13. Then this step, how did you get? From 1. This brought over. Okay. Now what you do? Instead of this 52, what did you replace? 117 minus 65 into 1. Are we followed?
Yes, sir.
This value substituted. Are you following? Aditya and Vedanta and all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You all followed now? Okay. Now the next is, so after substitution is over, now the thing is simplification. I'm going to do this simplification. Look carefully what is it. 13 is equal to 65 minus. I'm going to open the bracket. See, this minus will come and this will multiply. Minus 117 into 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then this minus will come over here. Minus is how much? Plus 65 into 1 into 1. What is 1 into 1? 1. Is it hot over here? I'm feeling hot. Arya, what did you do? Okay, so this is clear now. Okay now, so there is no problem. This page is okay. Yes.
Sir, I understood the from 2 and from 1, but can you please explain from substituting?
Substituted now. This instead of 52. Look here. This 52 is replaced as what? 117 minus 65. 13, 65 minus. Instead of 52, this one into 1. Are you followed that much? Yes,
Yes.
Vedant. Then
Yes, sir.
I open the minus and this one. Now look here, this much is clear now.
Yes, sir.
This 65 means how many times? One time. This 55 means how many times? One time. So 65 one time and 65 one time. If you are adding 65, will be how many times? Two times. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So for example, if I write here 65 into 2 plus 65 into 3 will be how much? 65 how many times? Two times. 65 how many times? Three times. Adding means 65 will be 5 times. If you have doubt means 2 plus 3. 5 times. Are you followed? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Look here, 65 is multiplied. Okay, there are 65 into 2. Okay, and this is 65 is how much? 3 times. Add both of them 65 how many times? 5 times. Just common removing and all. Okay, understood. This is 65 or 2 and 65. Okay, that. So that is it. So the same process I am going to do it. These all. Therefore, what we get these two simplifying, it will come 65 into 2 minus 117 into 1. That is 30. Are you followed this statement? How did you get 65? Okay, that is 30 equal to 65 times 2 plus 117 times. What is it? Minus 1. 65 m plus 117 n. Therefore, m is equal to how much? 2. N is equal to how much? Minus 1. This is the way to do it. It's complicated. I have to do at least 5 sums to understand this type of questions. Last step, what is 65 into 2? Minus is put over here. You same thing only get now? Yes or no? Confusion now? Yes or no? Write down, I will give question, then I will see. Follow, try to understand and write. This I said it's a little complicated one. Okay, try to understand. So from the first you call this equation 1 and 2. Did you write all this much all of you written now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, then equation 1 and 2 from 1 substituting we get. Substituting we get. This is the main part of the difficult part. Are you followed?
Yes, sir.
What is your name, girl?
Cheshta.
Huh?
Cheshta.
Jeshta followed?
Plus CH. Cheshta.
Cheshta, not jail. See, Cheshta. What meaning names are coming? So I will learn. I forgot to do the question. Done.
Yes, sir.
Then below write what is the value of m and what is the value of n. That is write fast. Look at the board and write fast. Do what? Then next right. No, look at the board and write. Completed. If those are completed, please tell me any clarification required. So this part if it is followed me, then it's a little easier for you. Anyone need a clarification? These steps, because this is the bit complicated area of this chapter. Follow now. I'm going to give the next question. When question comes, sir, no sir, yes sir, you tell me.
Sir.
Yeah.
you explain.
What step you have to explain?
Sir, that last part.
Last part. This you have followed.
Yeah.
Others, those are not completed, right fast. Right, written final answer wrote m is equal to how much, n is equal to how much you wrote. This one you have followed. Yes or no? This one you have followed. Yes or no? This one. Then if there's a 52 is there now. This 52 is same as what? 117 minus 6. So They replace that 117 minus 65 1. Okay, she's not listening. Okay now. Then what is the next step are done? We open the bracket. Minus 117 into 1. Minus plus 65 into 1 into 1 is 1. This is 65 how many times? Only one time. Nothing means 65 one time. This also is one time. One time and one time. If you are adding how many times you got? 2 times. 65 to 2. That I wrote as 65 times 2 plus 2. Get the answer in the form. Hence m is equal to 2 and n is equal to minus 1. Follow or not? What? Which step? That is 6. This one, look here now. If I write 24 into 3, this can be written as, if you want, you can write 24 times 3. You can write this as 3 times 24. All these are same thing now. Or 3 into 24. All are same thing. Okay. Conveniently, you write that. So I wanted 65 M, so I wrote 65.
Sir, there are only 2 statements, but there are more than.
Then it become more complicated.
So
Then 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Substituting. That is very complicated. This itself is become complicated now. Relax. We will do first learn for 2 statements. Then we will go to 3 small language statements. Okay now. All of you, anyone having a problem, please tell me. If I give one question, you can do it. Okay, so right. Okay, right. 5, 6, 0, 4. 148 and 124. 148 and 124. And express it in the form of 148m plus 124n. HCF of 148 and 124 and express it in the form of 148m plus 124n. So start. HCF, all of you know how to do it now?
Yes.
Okay. Value of A is how much? 148. B is equal to 124. Divide. Who got it here? Continue. I got only asked. Did I ask you that? You know shouting that she's waiting to copy. No, do fast then. Got it? Stay. Why 124? Where is 124? 128. 124 and 24. Okay. Do. It's correct only.
So HCF.
You also heard? Good. Okay. So remaining part started doing.
Yes, sir.
What should I do?
No, sir.
What the answer?
Yes.
One got the answer. Got the answer, M and N. You're waiting to do the remaining. All of you got the value of HCF?
Yes, sir.
Second part you are struggling to do. Still problem. Now look here. Let me see. A is equal to 148. B is equal to 124. Okay. Then first by EDL what will you get? 124 into 1 plus how much you got? 24 now. This is the first statement you got.
Yes.
Then A is equal to how much you got? 124. B is equal to 24. Therefore, what will you get? 124 is equal to 24 into
6
6
plus
or
4.
5. 5 plus 4. By 24 to 6 is 144 now. Therefore, what will you get? That's why you mistake. Therefore, A is equal to 24, B is equal to 4. Then 24 is equal to how much you got? 4 into 6 plus 0. Therefore, HCF of 148, 124 is equal to how much? 4. Okay. Now, we have to, now that is the first part. We have to express 4 is equal to 148m plus 124m. For that one, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Are you followed all of you this page? I hope all of you got this page. Now respond at least. Now what you have to do? From where? From 2. What is the value of 2? From 2, what will you get? 4 is equal to 124 minus 24 into 5. Now what you have to do? From 1. What did you get? 24 is equal to 148 minus 124 into 1. 124 into 1. Are you followed this also?
Yes.
Ritika, what happened?
Sir, is it a recording question?
There is no third equation. 0, don't take equation. Okay, with 0 means no equations. Understood or no? From there 0 only you'll get now. This page is clear now. Now what you have to do? Substitute for this 24. This 24 has to be substituted. 24 will be replaced as what?
148.
So therefore, what did you get? 4 is equal to 124 minus in bracket 148 minus 124 into 1 times 5. Are you followed all of you this also? Yes or no? No response. Did you get this match?
Yes, sir.
Did you get this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
then
sir.
what is done? Open the bracket 124 minus 148 into 5 minus is how much? Plus 124 into 1 into 5 is 5. This 124 is how many times? 6. 1 time. And this is how many times? This is how many times? 1 time. This is how many times? 5 times. 2 times. This is how many times? 1 time and this is 5 times. 1 time and 5 time adding means how many times you will get? 1 plus 5 is how many? 6 times. Therefore, this is equal to 124 into 6 minus 148 into 5. Are you followed this also?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Are you look this one? This 124 is how many times? How many times? 1 time. This is how many times? This 1 time. 124 into 5 means how many times? 5 times. So this is 1 time and this is 5 times. Adding means how many times it will come? 6 times. That is why 124 into 6. Are you followed? It is not always 1 plus 1, 2. Now look what we need 148m. So this is 148. This minus here at minus 5. plus 124 n means 124 times how much? 6. Therefore, what is the value of m? Minus 5. N is equal to 6. Check the step now. Are you followed, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Check the mistakes made. Who got this answer? What is Darshan? Vedant did not get. Vedant did not get. Aditya did not get.
I forgot to multiply 5 with 140. So,
Okay. Got it? Followed
Yes.
or still confusions? Something got in your mind? Nothing is got in your mind? Not followed. I will tell her not looking there, you tell fast. Are you followed the step still? Still following. Last step I know 1 plus 1 equal to 2.
Yeah.
I know. This is 5 times and this is 1 time is coming now. 1 time and 1 plus 5 now how many times? 6. Okay. Be careful in calculating. Are you following? Yes. Okay. Are you another following?
Yes.
Sure. Offer. Huh? 5:20 time it's over now.
Yes, sir.
So right. Same way. Find the HCF of first one. 115 and 50. And express it in the form of 50m plus 115n. Second one. HCF of 98 and 32. Expressed in the form of 98m plus 32. Okay, these are the two homeworks. Same questions, okay? Okay, you can do it now.
Yes,
And in the homework exercise, question number 1 also. Homework exercise is there now?
Yes, sir.
That's the question. That is a direct question now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do the homework and come. Follow on what you have to do. Homework exercise question 1 and these two additional questions. This is for practice. So, because this will be little difficult. HCF you will be able to do, but the thing is to get the other one. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye.
Homework exercise.